Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the Lodge map on the Great Wolf Lodge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, scroll down to the About the Lodge section and click on Lodge Map, which is the first option within this category. And then in a few seconds, you will be able to see the map that you can check out. You can zoom in and out if you would like to see. Here you can see the activities, dining, shopping, conference rooms, and all of the signs are marked on the map. So here you will be able to find it at this section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.